Hello everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to solve the Xtreme Skewb. There is also another cube called the Skewb, but this is like the Xtreme Skewb. So I recommend trying to solve that one first before you get to this one. But this one is also pretty easy. If you like this video, please like and subscribe down below, and also share it to other people that are having troubles with Xtreme Skewbs. So let's get started. So before we solve the cube, I'm going to tell you about it. So each face consists of one gigantic center and four corners. And how you turn a face is, you can't just turn it like one entire face because that doesn't work. You have to turn it by the corner. So you have to pretend, like you have to look at the corner and turn it like that, and it turns, well, there's only two layers. There's no middle layer. And okay, so now I'm going to get to solving it. Okay, so I've scrambled it, and so the first step to solving the cube is to get the entire white face solved. And we can tell which face is a white face by just looking at the center. So we just need to solve the four corners, and they will be somewhere around this cube. Now, okay, so pick one corner. I'm going to just pick this corner because it's right there. And you'll notice that no matter how much you move it around, this corner can only be in that spot and in the spot opposite. It can't go here. So no matter how much you turn it, it just cannot go in these two spots, only in these two. So that makes it easier to tell which corner goes where. So basically, first of all, you're just going to try to get all the corners, the white face up. So it looks solved, but it won't be completely solved. So for this corner, since it's like that, I can just turn it up and get it like that. And I'm trying to find any other easy ones. Okay, so if a corner is on the top, what we have to do is just move it down to the bottom. And once it's down here, we can't just move it back to the top because the white face is not facing up. And to do that, you need to kind of turn this entire corner. So like turn it like that, and then put it back up, because then it will be flush. But then you'll notice that this corner has gone away, so we need to fix that again. Now we have two, we need the other two. So one is over here and one is over there. So I'll just do this one. So bring it down. Since it's not correct, turn it and then move it back up. And, well, instead of this one, we put this one up here. So I'm just going to, yeah, so this one needs to go there, and we can just turn it and put it back up. This one's messed up, so we need to fix that again, bring it back up. And now you'll have noticed we have solved this, but we haven't completely solved it, because these, so on the corner there are some other pieces, so like this purple and this cyan, and they need to be matching with the colors inwards them. So this is matching. If one corner is matching with the insides, then the opposite corner will also be matching with the insides. But if one corner isn't, so the pink to the green is not matching, and this green to the pink is not matching, then you know that the opposite corner is also not matching. To swap the corners, what we need to do is we just need to bring one down to the side. So now it's over here. And then we need to bring this one back up, so in the spot of this one. And then you'll have noticed that this corner, which was previously up here, is now down here. So we need to put this one back up there. And then we just need to rotate the corners upwards. So we bring it down, and then we turn it, and we move it back up. And this one's messed up, so we fix it again. And same with this one. So bring it down, turn it, put it back up, and then this one is gone, so we need to fix it. And then you will have completely solved the white side. Well, not completely, because there are still these extra pieces at the bottom. This one is solved, but this one isn't. We'll get onto those later. Now what we need to do is solving the centers for every other side. So to do that, we just need to look at the center that's on the opposite of the white, so which is on the bottom of the cube, which is blue. And this blue needs to go to the blue surface, to the blue side. So we'll know it's a blue side because of the corners that are matching, that are coming off the white face. So we just need to put it up there. And this is the formula that will be used to do that. You need to have the blue face facing you, and the blue center on the bottom, and you need to do the bottom right hand side up. Put your hand on the bottom right side corner and turn it up. Put your hand on the bottom left side corner and turn it up. Put your hand on the bottom right side corner and turn it down. Put your hand on the bottom left side corner and turn it down. And then the blue face will have gone from here to here. Now we need to do the same thing, looking at the center that's opposite from the white, which is yellow. Now, if it's yellow, because this side is supposed to be the yellow, if it's yellow, we have to stop and look to see if the centers are solved. If they are not solved, then we need to keep doing this algorithm. So we need to pick a random unsolved side. So we can't pick this blue, but let's just pick this red. And we need to pretend that the yellow needs to go here and do that formula. So put your hand on the bottom right corner, turn it up, the left side up, the right side down, and the left side down. Once you've done that, this yellow should have gone from here to here. And now we look at and we keep looking at the center that's opposite. So it's red, it needs to go to the red side. So right side up, left side up, right side down, left side down. And now the face on the bottom is green, so where is the green side? It's over here. So right side up, right side down, left side down. And now the center on the bottom is blue. We need to go to the blue side. It's over here. Now the same algorithm, so right side up, right side down, left side down. And then now yellow is at the bottom. So we need to stop and look to see if all the centers are solved. And they are. So what that means is we can now move on to the next step. So the next step is solving these edges which I mentioned before. And to do that, we basically need to find one that's, well, there is 4 different cases for this one. Or, well, 5. So one of the cases is all of them are solved. So if all 4 of them are solved. The second case is only 3 of them are solved and 1 of them is unsolved, like here. And the third case is only 2 of them are solved, but the 2 that are solved are next to each other. And the fourth case is the 2 that are solved are opposite to each other. And the fifth case is that there is only 1 that's solved, which is just 1, and the other 3 are unsolved. So if you have a case with only 1 of them solved, that is probably the best possible case you can get. So if you have only 1 that's solved, you have to keep it at the back and okay, let me just show you the 3 solved case first. So to do that, you just need to pick the unsolved side and face it towards you. And then what you need to do is you need to do the same formula we used as last time, but we need to do it twice. So right side up, right side down, left side down, and then do it again. Right side up, right side down, left side down. And now you should have the case with 2 solved, and they're opposite each other. So we do the same thing as last time. We pick an unsolved side and put it facing us, and then we do the same formula twice. So right side up, right side down, left side down, and then do it again. Right side up, right side down, left side down. And then you should have 1 side that's solved. So this is the case with 1 side that's solved. We need to pick, okay. So if you ever have only 1 side that's solved, we always need to put it at the back and do the formula. So an unsolved side will be facing you, and to the left and to the right. So you need to do the same formula twice. So right side up, right side down, left side down, and you have to do it once more. So right side up, right side down, left side down. So now we have completely solved the white face, including all these edges. Okay, so once we've completely solved the white side, the next step is we have to flip the cube over and solve the yellow side. Oh. Well, for me, it's already completely solved. This is one of the cube is solved for me. This is one of the scenarios you can get while solving the white side. There are actually 3 different scenarios, and this is one of them. Let me show you the other 2. All right, this is another one of the scenario. This is the second scenario you can get after solving the white side, and it's basically so none of the yellow corners are facing up; they're all facing to the side. To solve the cube from this scenario is we have to look at the corners where both of them are on the same face, and we have to keep that to the left. And we have to keep one of the corners facing you and the other one away from you. So I will call them headlights, you can say. So the headlights will be kept to the left. And then we have to do a formula. It's kind of the same formula as the previous formula, but the starting position is different. So instead of starting on the bottom right corner, we start on the top right corner, and we go down, and then top left corner, down, top right corner, up, top left corner, up, and we have to do that twice in total. So once more, so top right corner down, top left corner down, top right corner up, top left corner up. And actually we have to do that 8 times in total, I just realized. So we've done it twice, we need to do it 6 more times. So this formula kind of gets repetitive, and okay, so let me just do it. So right side down, right side up, left side up, that's 3, down, down, up, up, that's 4, down, down, up, that's 5, down, down, up, that's 6, down, down, up, that's 7, down, down, up. That is 8. And you should have now solved the cube. And okay, so let me show you the third scenario you can get after solving the white face. So that was only 2. Now I'm going to show you the third one. The third and final case you can get after solving the white side completely is this. So you can have 2 opposite corners facing up and the other 2 facing sideways. And now we have to position it in a way so that the line of the 2 is like a forward slash, so like this instead of this. So if we just do that, it's like this. And also if we turn it if we turn the yellow side to the top, there has to be a corner facing us. So there is no corner facing us, so keeping it the pattern same, we just rotate the cube. And now we check, and there is a corner facing us. So we have to keep it in this position, noting that one of the corners is facing you and the other one is facing to the left. And the yellow face is on top. And then we have to do the exact same formula, but only twice. So right side down, left side down, right side up, left side up. Okay, and then once more, right side down, right side up, left side up. And once we have done that, you should have found we have got it again. Alright, so we keep it don't change the position. We do it twice more. So in total we should have done it 4 times, but I forgot. So right side down, left side down, right side up, left side up, right side down, left side down, right side up, left side up. And then you will have gotten the headlight case. So the 2 facing this way and 1 facing towards you and one of the corners facing away. So we position it so that the headlights are facing to the left, and we do the algorithm, the same algorithm we just did, and we have to do it 8 more times. It gets kind of frustrating after a time. So right side down, left side down, right side up, left side up, right side down, left side down, right side up, left side up. And that's only twice, so we have to do it 1, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up. That's 4, down, down, up, up, 5, down, down, up, 6, down, down, up, 7, down, down, up, and up. So now we have completely solved the Skewb, and yeah, that is the last of the 3 scenarios you can get. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video, and please make sure to subscribe and hit that like button down below. They're both down in the description below. And also make sure to share it with other people that are having troubles with Xtreme Skewbs. And I will be doing more how to solve a Rubik's Cube videos. And yeah, goodbye. See you in the next video.